everybody, Wagwan. Welcome to Daily Vitamin D. It's a girl D here. Alright, let's get right into it. First of all, the light here, it's nice, though. Moving on. So today we're gonna talk about, well, I saw an article in The Star, which is a newspaper, everybody knows a newspaper, writing to Dear Pastor. So I'm gonna read it and then I'm gonna give my thoughts, and I want you guys to tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Okay, so the topic is can't maintain an erection. I'm just going to read it here. I'm 61 years old and I have been reading your column for many years. You are the one who officiated at the wedding of my wife and I. My wife was living abroad and she came down and married me. I went to America and lived with her, but I didn't like America. I spent 10 years there, but I came back to Jamaica. Like, is this American too nice? My wife says that she's not coming back to live. We have 3 children and they are with her. This sounds familiar though. My divorce has come through, but now I have another problem. I am with a woman and I would like to settle down with her. My problem is bigger than I can manage. The house that we are living in is hers. I have a house, but it needs some repairs, so I am working on that. The understanding I have with my lady friend is that I will continue to live here at her house and rent mine. I feel inadequate, Pastor, because I cannot get a strong erection, and this woman expects me to come on strong all the time, which I cannot do. Hold on it. Oh, what is this again? Oh, I'm 61. Okay. I have gone to the doctor and I received tablets, but their effect does not last for a long time. That is my main reason for writing to you. My lady friend is in her early 50s. I don't know what to do. If things don't change with me, I believe that she will either break up with me or keep another man with me. Please give me your advice. Alright, so let me read what Pastor say. Well, basically, I'm saying, sorry for you, the marriage never work out, and he return home, and he would hate to see a man your age unhappy. Basically, I'm telling him, say, need to go see a specialist. I don't know. What do you think about this? Oh, remember to like the video, please. I think if I'm 61 years old, I'm probably live out in life already, and maybe I'm overweight, maybe I'm not taking care of himself, maybe my blood pressure issues. But I would say go to a urologist, because sometimes the regular doctor them don't know if sometimes men not have to learn to take care of myself. Number one, sometimes in the world in the young days, only know want to suck it down until you reach bars them long down on the knee, and it's like it think not work, it think kind of soft out like pudding. That's when you want to suck it down, your belly big, you have a big beer belly. You can't talk still, got no man go pooch. But anyway, it's not about me. But I don't know. I would say go to see a specialist so you can one. Maybe your mind is second to because for 1 year living at the lady house. You're probably not even that comfortable. And sometimes when I live with woman, even though I'm a young man, I'm not partial. Everybody has to be accountable. Sometimes you live with woman, they want to take advantage of you or they want to talk down to you. Not saying that this is the case, It may be the case. But maybe you need to see a counselor as well. Maybe you need to talk to the lady. Maybe the woman not feed him too. Because sometimes the woman them just want to work out your back, take out everything out of the man, and then not cook no food. You can't make the sauce up, just give the man look Irish mash. Cook some nice proper meal, give the man now, but you want the man to work and perform and be a suck cat feed the man pan. And bad juice. Some cows. And then look cheap something there. I don't know. I don't say that's the case. Because I don't know. If you don't have no tips for the man here, comment something below, because I know that there must be men who may be watching this who maybe need some advice to go and know if the man out there go through this right now. And say man and them ego. Find the tool now work is like I'm at them out for man. Enough man, especially Jamaican man, still claim to them now face up to it, right? But we know them somebody not face up to it. And nothing is wrong with doing that either. But that's none of my business. You don't do what you want to do. All I'm saying is, man, take care of your health, take care of yourself. Make sure you exercise. Go look at jogging, go look at walking at daytime. Work out for 30 minutes. And just try to take care of yourself. Try to maintain. No matter jerk off too much, because I don't know if you know this, but it's a scientific fact. If you know, I don't remember the name we call, but you see if a man jerk off too much, the penis becomes desensitized to vagina. So sometimes maybe a woman in the video, and you just you want to jerk off a little one, but guess what? It's by the time you get some real vagina, the penis not working because the pum pum can't do what the hand do. I don't know what it means, just look it up. Basically, because of the movement of the hand, not jerk off. And it palmer style. By the time you get some real good, it's like you can't orgasm. You can't none of that because the sensation is not the same as when you jerk off with your hand and the speed that you do with your hand. You can't get the same sensation from the real vagina. But me I digress. I always come off track. I don't know about me. I some stay. Just get used to me by now. Anyway. Alright, so I have a next year pass so I want to read. Let me get right to it. Alright guys, so I'm back. So this next one, it's called Helper Wanted Me to Pay for a Little Loving. I'm not gonna read it word for word this time. So basically, this man writing and him said he's married but his wife is away and she live in America, but him come home because he tried to build a house and he lost a lot of money. People want him to pay them for everything. So him employ a little lady for wash, cook and clean, do everything around the house. So him said recently him asked her for a little something, and she said to him, say you have to pay for it. So him asked her, why should I pay you extra? And she tell him that, listen, it's for the upkeep of the thing. You know what it is. So basically now him talk and him say this girl, she have 3 children and him help her out, she can cook. Whenever she cook, he make the food stretch for 2 days. So like him Saturday, Sunday food all in one. His wife a plan to come to Jamaica December. And apparently the wife will carry something in the barrel for the lady too. But him just vex. So now he must say he can't believe the girl gone and never give him something because he never paid for it. And he said, oh, by the way, I'm 70 years old and I have been doing without a woman since I have been in Jamaica working on my house. I did not know that this girl really believed that I would pay her extra for a little piece of flesh. First of all, sir, it's not just a little piece of flesh. It's more than that. Because if it never values something, you wouldn't want it. Why you dead over it now? And because she don't want to give you all right to their person and a create option. Obviously, it's more than a little piece of flesh. And you want it. She alright. But you know, one thing said she's right in demanding separate money for her services, or she should just give him it for free since him already appear and him already, him help out with her pinning them and stuff, and the wife will carry down things for her. One thing, but I don't know. I don't really know what to say. But for one thing, enough of them old man here, them this money they want to take young girl for fool. A big man they want to take for fool too. I don't know, is he right or is he wrong? But on one hand, he is nice to her. He is, he take care of her in them. That's always a plus. But on the other hand, you pay her for wash, cook and clean. You never pay her for doing no extra work, like night shift work. You never pay her for that, sir. So I don't know what you think. I'm not say I tell him thing I'm going, I'm not say come no one come beat me in the comment section and carry on. But I think I don't know, them have to work out that. But if you want more services, sir, you have to pay. Fork out the money. You have it, sir. Anyway, I'm done talk. That's all for today. Bye guys.